Hey beauties, Andre. In this video I have an update on the Zincofax baby rash ointment. Day of me using this on my acne for a whole month. 3 months ago I used this for the first time because I've seen a video by CurlsBeauty on Instagram. I will leave a link down below. I will try to find the video, guys. I seen it on Instagram. I didn't see that video on YouTube, but I will try to find it and link it below, okay? But apparently she used Zincofax on her fresh acne for about 3 days, and the acne went away completely. And she recorded the video, and I tried to, see if it would work for me. All right, so before we start, I want to give a shout out to Sasha Bracelets. This is just the color that I picked. Of course, it's supposed to have a snug fit. So at first, when you get it, you're supposed to kind of roll it. And don't worry, keep rolling it and it will not break, okay? And this is the color that I've chose, but there are many colors to choose from. Glass beaded bracelets, they're handcrafted with positive vibes. Each bracelet is carefully handmade bead by bead with one of the world's finest glass and sterling silver beads. Each bracelet comes with a lifetime guarantee and a perfect fit promise. Rash partners, they partner with several organizations in Nepal that train and employ hundreds of artisans in rural communities. They are focused on gender equality and empowering women. So check their bracelets down below. I will be leaving a link down below, guys. Check them out. So as far as the Zincofax ointment, I've used this for a whole month and then some after that, okay? All right, I was mainly looking for this to clear my acne marks. I don't have anything on my face right now, guys. I'm bare skinned. And of course, the camera kind of softens up my skin when I'm not that close to the camera. So don't get yourself fooled. I didn't see as much of a difference when it came to this on clearing my acne marks. I saw that it does work on fresh pimple, okay? This worked amazingly overnight. When I apply on my fresh pimple, go to bed and then wake up, it dries up my pimple really well. Of course, I use a moisturizer after that, but that's what it does, guys. So CurlsBeauty was right. I had to look at the video for what it is. She did use it on fresh pimples and it did clear her pimples, all right? You can see her using it on, acne marks that was there for a while or that's been there or anything like that. So it did not work for me for the acne marks, I would say, at all. But it worked amazingly on fresh pimples. I don't know why those words together sound so weird. Fresh pimples. Ugh. This is my final review. I just wanted you guys to have an update on the Zincofax baby rash. This will last you for years, 100 grams, and try this. Let me know how it works out for you. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up. Check my first video on the Zincofax down below. Don't forget to also check Sasha glass bracelets down below. Bye, guys. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And since that's not enough, don't forget to click the bell so you'll get notified of my videos. Thank you, guys.